welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to continue with where we left from the previous video, and I'm going to demonstrate how to extract online reviews, or what we call student feedback in my case, from a web page with the show more button. You can see here, see more reviews button using the same software called PassHub. Okay, to begin, let's go back to where we left from the previous video. So we have extracted the courses from the list, and with the names, regions, and enrollment number, and we asked the PassHub to repeat the same process for 10 pages, which means we have collected 11 pages of courses with the names, regions, and enrollment. Okay, cut the cheese. Let's go back to the next template. If you don't know how to go to the next template, please go back to check out my previous video. Alright, so in this case, okay, we have selected the web page will turn to the course page. Okay, it's where this is where you can see all the feedback for these particular courses, for this particular course. Okay, anyway, so in the last video, I asked you to select names and reviews first, okay? But I have to admit, I have tried to select the names and comments and then create the loop, and it didn't work. Okay, so if you have already selected the names and reviews, please just delete the comment. Okay, let's start all over again. Alright, so now we are on this page. Okay, I would suggest you to click select page. Okay, we need to create a loop first. Okay, so this is a loop command. Okay, in this command, okay, down here you can see there's a window pop up. Not you can pop up really. You can see the actual window on your left, and just put a dollar sign. Okay, money, yes. Alright, and then we put create. Okay, so next. Okay, you capitalize A, okay, and spell array. Okay, so what does it mean? Alright, to create array, so arrays are used to store multiple values in a single variable, which means we are going to create a variable that has multiple values, which means all the reviews are going to store in this variable. Okay, so now what do we do next? Okay, of course we have to put parentheses. Okay, then we put a number in it. Okay, let's just see 3. So what does it mean by 3? Okay, so the number actually is a math property to specify how many times that this loop command should run. Okay, it simply works. Okay, let's just go back to single reviews. Where is it? Okay, here. Okay, so which means we want the PassHub to click this see more reviews for 3 times. Okay, do you understand it? If you want the PassHub to click this see more reviews for 5 times, you just click the number 5. Okay, so what do we do next? Okay, so now we click, okay, select next to rate. Okay, select. Okay, so what do we select? Of course, we select see more reviews. Okay, can you see this turn green, which means we have selected this. Let's just rename it as see more. Okay, so next, okay, what do? Okay, we see this. We click, okay, see more. Okay, now click. We don't even have to do anything. Okay, so the web page will, the PassHub will help you to click see more and to load more comments. Okay, so now a window pop up asking if this is a next page button, and then you just choose no. Alright, then continue executing the current template. Okay, so now we have 3 times we ask PassHub to click see more reviews for 3 times. Okay, so now what's next? What do we want them to do? Okay, what kind of information do we want them to collect? Okay, so now, okay, can you see here? For each, okay, what do we want? What do we want them to do? Okay, we want them, okay, let's see, to select the names of the commenter. Okay, let's just double check to see all the names are selected. Yes. Okay, now what do we do next? Oh, I forgot to change the name, but anyway, okay, we're gonna connect the names with the reviews. Okay, now I'm going to tell you a trick. Okay, to select reviews, can you see here? Okay, you probably want to browse through the page and to see which one is the longest and select that longest reviews. Otherwise, okay, so for example, for this particular commenter, okay, the reviewer, he left two paragraphs off, not two paragraphs where anyway, he entered his comments for two segments. So if you select the shorter reviews, and then for this particular review, they will only select the first part. Okay, they will left the second part. So if I were you, I would just browse through and to select the largest or the longest reviews, just in case everything can be selected. Okay, so now we just put this as content. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's how we do it. Alright, now let's get the data. Let's give it a test run. In this case, I'm pretty confident about what I do. So I'm going just to give it a run and see what kind of data I've collected. Okay, so it's starting up, and you can see that you can download the data for 3 formats: Excel, JSON, or API. Okay, so it's really up to you. So let's wait this to download. But anyway, I'm gonna show you the result in the next video, and ta-da, bye bye. See you in the next video.